on, guys. Whoa. Careful, careful. Guys, come on. Come on over. That, guys. All right. Okay, here comes the stretch. We're gonna sniff and check out. I know, this is great. Come on. Okay, come on, hike, hike, hike. Woo! Come on, come on. Come on, Annie. Get Jazz. Get. Hike, hike. Woo! Slow down. Stop. Train. I'm in my garage, and this is the beginning of a dog sled run. Annie and Jazz are waiting here. She went on the, look at her, she wants to go. Annie, don't do that. Thank you. This is outside my home. I'm in the garage, as you can see. And there's my car, Highway 95 North out there, the barn. And we're going to go down that road right there. And we're going to turn a quick left and go all the way around the house on some back roads. So I'll be back with more footage of that in a little bit. But these guys are kind of getting nervous. Alright, bye-bye. Okay, in a minute, I'm going to tell these guys to take off. Whoa, slow down guys, stop. And we're going to take a quick stretch out here. This is some of the property behind the house. There's an old road. And these are the trails back here. And that's my house down there. Swing set. Okay. If this gets hard to film, that's because I'm holding on to this bar here with one glove. Which is, oh, look at them. They're getting a little restless. Okay, let's go fix these guys. Okay, guys, this is no way to run a show. So, Annie, come on. Hold it. All right. Okay. Okay, guys. Come on, hike. Annie, hike, Jazz, hike. Hike. Woo! Oh, careful. Hike. Come on, guys, hike. Okay, slow down. Trot. Stop. Good job. All right. Okay, we're gonna go through here. This is going to be an experiment to see how much of the power Annie is on the team of two dogs. This is going to be a one dog pull, and this right here is a neckline. It's basically two snaps, and they attach the two dogs together. Well, this is a no neckline dog run. You can see Annie's harness is a little short. It should go down her back a little farther. It's weird because her chest is so small, but her back is long, and so most of these harnesses are made for Alaskan Huskies, not Siberians. Very few people run with Siberians anymore if they race, because Siberians are kind of like the has-beens of the dog sled world. But little Annie here, it's Black Ice. That's our company out of Minnesota. Hey Annie, you want to go for a run? Yeah, I think she does. Alright. Hold on, girl. Whoa. Hold on. Okay. Alright, Annie. Alright, we have to get her in the right direction. Okay. Stop. Stop. Come here. Come here. Okay. Okay. Alright, come on, girl. Go this way. It's just you. No Jazz, just you. Okay. She wants to go for a ride. We'll come back when we're out in the stretch. So we're out behind the house, not far from it at all. Because there it is. And Annie definitely is not a lead dog. She kinda doesn't understand what's happening here. Go ahead. No, Annie. Go on. Go the stretch. Atta girl. Hey. No, Annie. No. Oh, this is not how. Atta girl. Come on. Yep. Okay, I think she got it figured out. Annie, come on, let's go. Come on, girl. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Over. Come on. No, over. Come on. Atta girl. Okay. Okay, come on. Atta girl. Good girl. Hey, good girl. Hike. Hike. Oh, I know. I'm kicking with you, girl. Good girl. Come on, Annie. Come on. Come on, girl. Good girl. All right. Hope this is working. So Annie did okay, considering. Look at my gloves. That's dog hair. Nice, huh? Just stopped by in black. Annie did good. Okay. There she is. She is enamored with, if you can see, let me walk up ahead. Okay. Step on the gang line. She's eating, this is what, water, drinking water. See these tracks here? That's coyote. You can tell it's coyote for a couple of reasons. The one is, let me get Annie to sit. Good girl. No. Sit. Come on. We're looking at tracks. Get down, Ann. It's your break. So, okay. See that track? It looks like it walks on two legs, but it's because they stepped into their old paw prints. And you can see the claw marks. So you know it's a dog and not a cat. See that? I don't know, you can see little claw marks in there. But yeah, they go into that little barbed wire fence. There's Annie, her mighty vessel. She's a good girl. And if you want to see what Annie's looking at, I'm going to plop down in the snow beside her here. Okay. Annie, this is our view. Sunset. Here's me and my Annie girl. Good solo run, huh? Okay. The sled with our sled bag is just, the sled weighs about 20 pounds. The bag is an extra harness, gang lines, that sort of gear. Okay. All right, Annie, you ready to get back? Oh, my butt is wet and cold. Okay, Annie, let's go back to the house. Come on, no, come on, let's go home. Come on, girl, come on. Yeah, girl, is your gang? Okay, all right. We have a gang line, but also another piece of webbing here, just to hold us the sled in case a snap broke. Annie, let's go home. Annie would rather not go home. Come on, girl, let's go. Come on. Come on. Hey, you got me out here. You gotta get me home. That's the deal. All right. Come on, I'm kicking. Oh, Annie. No, it's the same thing, but backwards. Okay. Atta girl. All right. Go get him. All right, and we're cruising. I'm barely kicking. Annie's doing most of the work. Good girl. Come on, Annie. She's a good dog.